Welcome to the breathtaking Algarve, Portugal's coastal gem, and a paradise of sun, sea, and sand. Get ready to be captivated by the enchantment of the Algarve. Day 1. Begin your journey in Faro, the capital of the Algarve. Start your day by strolling through the charming old town, surrounded by historic walls. Explore the cobbled streets, quaint cafes, and picturesque plazas. Next, head to Ria Formosa Natural Park, a pristine wetland and birdwatchers' paradise. Take a boat tour to the barrier islands and soak in the unspoiled beauty of the lagoons and sand dunes. In the afternoon, visit Praia de Faro, a stunning beach with golden sands and crystal-clear waters. Enjoy a refreshing swim and bask in the sunshine. In the evening, dine at a local seafood restaurant and savor mouth-watering grilled fish and cataplana, a traditional seafood stew. Day 2. Today, venture to Lagos, a coastal town known for its dramatic cliffs and secluded coves. Start your day by visiting Ponta da Piedade, where you can take a boat tour, or hike along the cliffs for mesmerizing views of the rock formations and hidden beaches. Next, head to Praia de Camilo, a small and secluded beach nestled between cliffs. Take the wooden stairs down to the beach and swim in the azure waters. In the afternoon, explore the historic center of Lagos, with its charming streets and vibrant atmosphere. Visit the Mercado de Escravos, the first slave market in Europe, and learn about the city's fascinating history. In the evening, enjoy a relaxing dinner at a seaside restaurant and savor Portuguese dishes like bacalhau, codfish, or grilled sardines. Day 3. Today, head to Albufeira, a popular resort town known for its sandy beaches and vibrant nightlife. Start your day by relaxing on Praia dos Pescadores, the main beach of Albufeira. Rent a sunbed and umbrella and soak in the sun. Next, explore the Albufeira Old Town, with its whitewashed buildings and narrow streets. Visit the Church of Santana, a beautiful Baroque church. In the afternoon, take a boat tour to explore the stunning sea caves and rock formations along the coast. In the evening, experience the buzzing nightlife of Albufeira, with its bars, clubs, and live music venues. Day 4. On your final day, head to Cavoeiro, a picturesque fishing village with stunning cliffs and beautiful beaches. Start your day by taking a scenic walk along the cliffs, where you can enjoy panoramic views of the coastline. Next, visit Praia de Benegal, famous for its stunning sea cave. Take a boat tour to explore the cave's interior and see the natural skylight. In the afternoon, unwind at one of the secluded beaches near Cavoeiro, and enjoy some peaceful moments by the sea. In the evening, bid farewell to the Algarve with a memorable sunset view at Praia de Marinha, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. That concludes our 4-day itinerary of the Algarve, a coastal paradise where every moment is filled with beauty and wonder. What are you waiting for? Pack your bags. Immerse yourself in the natural wonders and vibrant culture, and embark on an unforgettable journey in the mesmerizing Algarve. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.